Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will share with you blanket stitch or say buttonhole stitch. This stitch has two names, blanket and buttonhole stitch, as this stitch was mainly used in stitching the borders of the blankets, so it was named as blanket stitch, and also to make the button holes of shirts, like to do that buttonhole, even this stitch was used. Now as machines are invented, so people don't use much in the buttonhole to do this, so it is named as buttonhole stitch and blanket stitch. So we will share in this video a buttonhole stitch, how to take and its variation. I will share with you 6 kinds of variation in this part 1, and further stitches will be shared in other videos. Also we will learn in this video how to do this patchwork using buttonhole stitch. So let's begin. So for buttonhole stitch or say blanket stitch, we will work with 2 lines. First bring the needle from the first line and take the needle to the second line, but not to the point perpendicular to the second line, but to the point diagonal to the second line, like this. Here, take the needle here, okay, diagonally we will go and take a stitch perpendicularly to the first line and put the thread behind the needle. So it forms the blanket stitch. As you can see, it is an inverted L. The shape of that stitch is like inverted L. So like this. Now from this point again we will work diagonally on the second line and bring the needle from the back side perpendicular to the point of your second line to the first line, and take the thread behind the needle. So this forms the blanket stitch. Now when you end the stitch, just take here a stitch and fix it with the knot. So this was the blanket stitch or buttonhole stitch. Now we will see the variation. So now the variation we will do just by taking a bead. We have to work same as the first time we did. Just I will take a bead . Third variation. For that we need a first simple blanket stitch, and now I am using different thread. I I will start from here again. And pass my thread from these stitches, from the upside stitches, this all line. So just need to pass your thread, different thread, from the upper stitches. Like this. Every time take from upside and then go down. And left. So now next variation is double buttonhole stitch or say blanket stitch. For that also first take one simple blanket stitch. Now just to show you I am using different thread, or you can use the same thread. So just turn your ring and now start from the opposite end. This will be your opposite end. So from there we will start. This is the first stitch. So from here, from the second stitch, take again buttonhole stitch nearer to the next stitches. Take the stitch like this. So this forms the double buttonhole stitch. So this was the blanket stitch, double blanket stitch. Like this it forms. You can see that it has a close to each other and it forms like a border. Okay, now we will move to the next variation. For that we will work with 4 lines, very closer lines. First bring the needle up from back side on the first line. Now we will take very close stitches, not like these stitches which we have to far apart, but we will take very close stitches. Now so take the stitch with the second line. Now so the name, with the name you can understand it is a long and short stitch. So this is a one short stitch. Now we will take one long stitch than this. So we will work with the third line and again go back to the first line. Like that. Okay. Again, now again one long stitch, then this. So we will work on the fourth line and go back to the first line. Okay. So this forms the long and short stitch. Again now first stitch with the second line and repeat this same process. So this was long and short blanket stitch. Now a slight variation with this long and short stitch. Same we have to work. Now when you take 3 stitches, shorter one, then long, and then again long. Now we will go with the reverse order. Now we will take stitch with the third line, and then to the second line. Now again keep the distance and take with the first line. So this was the slight variation of long and short stitch. These were the variations of blanket stitch. We learned 6 kinds of blanket stitch in this video. Further, again I will share with you the other types of variation in next videos. So buttonhole is mainly used in patchwork. We widely use this stitch in the patchwork. So now I will show you how we will work with this patch. I have cut one flower and I have stitched this facing to it so that it gives some stiffness, and now I will apply some glue here and stick to it so that it doesn't move from the place. So now bring the needle from any of the corner of the petal and take a small buttonhole. Now again from here, just move your stitches according to the petal and take the stitches. Like this, cover all the edges of the petals. So like this we will complete our flower. In the middle you can place anything like a button or one more patch, round patch, and do it with the patch. So this completes my patch. Okay, so if you like the video, please hit me like and please share the video and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.